Okay guys, let's check this out. Check this furnace out. We have a furnace Hale, and we have a smart valve, 24 volt hot surface igniter. We're getting a flash code. Let's see if you can see this. One, two, three, four. Okay. 2, 3, 4. 4 flashes mean limit switch open. So now we need to find out which limit switch is open. First thing that I'm going to do is check here the rollout. Rollout seems to be closed. Let's double check with our meter current voltage. And we have 0. And this one, on that one, I'm getting like 11.9, 12 volt. So why 12 volt on there? Let's turn it off. 12 volt. Why 12? That sounds odd. Now let's check the resistance. Let's check the resistance of this. And it is open. You see? So we have a bad limit switch, high temperature limit switch, and this one is rated for 190 degree Fahrenheit will open, and -20, which is the differential, will be 170, will close back. It open at 190 or above, and then close back at 170 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna do something just for testing purposes. I'm going to bypass this high temperature limit switch. This is only for testing purposes. Do not do this at home. Don't try this at home. This is just for testing purposes. You cannot leave a furnace like this, like bypassed. You cannot do that. This is just to test the operation. Okay, now we have inducer, pressure switch, we have ignition, pilot. There it is. So that is telling me that we have a bad high temperature limit switch. What year is this one? (2002). 2002. Let me do a quick combustion test on this bad boy quick. Okay, so the question that we should be asking ourselves is, why did this happen? Why did it open? So quick temperature rise to yeah, 147, 150. That is too high. Yeah, so something is going on. That's too high. So I'll have to increase the speed, because that is too high. That's why that high temperature limit tripped. And 150, let's say 70 and 150, that's 80 degrees. That is 80 degrees. That's too high. So let's check the speed of this fan. Let's check the speed. Let's also check this capacitor, shall we? Yeah, so they have this one, the blue one, they have it on heat, and the blue one, let's see what speed is the blue one according to our diagram. If we look at the speed, okay, blue. Yeah, you see blue is medium low. You can do that. So let's put it medium. Let's use just black. Let's use black, which is the highest speed. Highest speed on there. And let me see. Maybe we can use blue for cooling, medium low, or medium high. Right now they have medium high on cooling. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. I could use the blue ones to improve dehumidification, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. Let's do that. Holy cow, what the heck is this? This for okay. So check this capacitor quick. So this is supposed to be a what? 40? No, something's wrong here. 40 microfarads. 40. Wow, this is the first time I see a 40. Am I reading this right? 40 microfarad, 370 volt. Wow. Is it 40 or 4? That's a little bit weird. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is a 40. Crazy. And I'm getting 37.7. 37.7. I don't think that I have a 40 with me. 37.7, assuming plus or minus 5. Okay, so 10% of 40 is 4, and 5% will be 2. So 38. And I need to get a new capacitor for this guy because it's on the lower end. I'll have to order one of those. I don't have those. Or maybe I do. And if I do, I might have a dual capacitor. No, it's not closing. It's not closing, so they have a bad limit switch, high temperature limit switch. So let me get one of those and see you guys in a little bit. Okay, we are back with the high temperature limit switch. It is now. Let's test it real quick. Good. Okay, just put it here. See what we get now. Igniter, pilot flame, main burners are on. We are golden. Now let's take let's do a temperature rise now and make sure everything is working. 71, 70. No, it's still not good. Let me get a 40 microfarad. Let me get a capacitor. Okay, I know it's not ideal, but probably has high static pressure. Seems a little bit better after I replaced that capacitor. Let's see, maybe not. I don't like it. Right now, I mean before, I'm getting like 80-degree temperature rise. It's too high, but maybe. It's looking better. I would like it to stay right there at 130 because 130 minus 70, that's 60. But it's going up. I don't like it. Guys. Probably has high static pressure, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. See you guys on the next one.